Who doesn't love a good bowl of kimchi rice? It's got that magical combination of savory, spicy, and a hint of sweetness that makes it utterly irresistible. Uh, Perfect for when you're craving something hearty yet packed with flavor. This recipe is your go-to. Kimchi rice is the rock star of Korean comfort food, much like mac and cheese is in the United States. Um, um, what makes it special? It's quick, it's easy, and it's intensely flavorful. Uh, Plus, if you've got leftover rice in kimchi, you're already halfway there. Let's address the common pain point: soggy rice. And nobody wants that. Day-old rice is your friend here. Using fresh rice can lead to a mushy disaster. Pro tip: spread it out on a tray to cool quickly if you're in a rush. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of chopped kimchi, 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice, 2 teaspoons of gochujang, Korean chili paste, an egg, and some green onions for garnish. Simple, right? Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Toss in the chopped kimchi and stir fry it for about 2 minutes. This wakes up the kimchi's flavors, creating a fragrant base. Pro tip: avoid the urge to add more oil. Push the kimchi to one side of the pan and add the rice. Pour over the kimchi juice and gochujang. This step is the secret to getting that deep, robust flavor. Stir until the rice is uniformly colored. Avoid clumping by using a spatula's flat side. Craving a protein kick, let's fry an egg. In another pan, crack an egg over medium heat for that perfect sunny side up companion. Cook until the whites are firm, but the yolk is still runny. A little salt and pepper can elevate the taste. Mix your kimchi rice thoroughly, ensuring every grain is coated with that spicy goodness. The rice should be sizzling with each grain separate yet perfectly moist. If you're like me, you might add a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra crunch. And now is the time to add depth. Throw in some diced scallions and give a final toss. They add a fresh bite, balancing the kimchi's fermented tang. Plus, they make the dish Instagram worthy. We eat with our eyes first, right? Transfer your kimchi rice to a bowl, nestle your fried egg on top, and sprinkle some nori strips if you have them. Trust me, they add an umami finish that ties everything together. The anticipation at this moment is a delight. Pro tip: a splash of soy sauce or sesame oil can transform your dish further. Feel free to experiment, because the beauty of kimchi rice is its flexibility. It's a canvas with endless possibilities for flavor enhancement. And with every bite, you'll experience the perfect harmony of spicy, tangy, and savory. And this dish is more than a meal. It's a journey into the heart of Korean cuisine. And so why wait? Give your taste buds the adventure they deserve.